Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to demonstrate the text call feature in the phone app on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. Here, I have an incoming call. Now I will tap on the answer call, then tap on call assist, and then tap on text call.
I'm using a voice assistant to convert your voice to text and respond to you. If you want to continue, please stay on the call.
Here, I can respond without saying a word by using some of the predefined responses here.
Just to clarify, who are you? Call you later. Could you repeat that, please? Is this urgent?
You can type in the response.
Hi.
Hello there. I'm testing out the new text call feature on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. And there it is. Now for the pre-built or for the pre-made responses, you can go into settings. So I will end this call here, and then I'll go into my text call. And then for the quick responses, you can add in some shortcut. So here I can add in shortcut, and here I can say talk, and then we can say talk again. Talk again soon. And then save. And here you can say when I say urgent, is this urgent? Repeat that, and then say, could you repeat that please? Or who are you? And it's the full response is just to clarify who are you. So in here you can add in as many quick response as you like, I think. So let me add in a few to see if there is a limit. So here I can add in more. Sorry, go too fast. And then go back in here, settings, text call, and then quick responses. So you can see we can add in many quick responses to the list. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.